Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am really excited to show you how to stitch one of my favorite things to make, a matching top and pant set, all from just one piece of fabric. I have always loved making cord sets. They are so comfortable, stylish, and honestly, when you are short on time, they are lifesaver. And the best part, you can totally customize the fit and style to your liking. So, whether you are sewing for yourself, a friend, or even thinking of starting a small clothing business, this is a great beginner friendly project. So, let's dive right in. Here's our fabric. We will be cutting both the top and pant from this. First, we will start with the front piece for the top. Now for the sleeves, make sure to double fold the fabric before cutting. That way you will get two identical sleeves in one go, easy and efficient. Now take the front piece and fold it half an inch from the center, then fold it again by 1 inch. Place the left side over the right and top stitch along the edge, leaving about 5 inches at the bottom. You can add the button placket here so you can skip the top stitch part. Okay, now let's move on to the collar, and here's a fun little backstory. When I first started sewing, collars used to scare me. I always got confused about which side was up or down and ended up stitching them on backward more times than I did like to admit. So I came up with this little trick that helps me every time. Start by marking the collar shape on the canvas interfacing and cut it out. Next, take your double folded fabric and fuse the canvas onto it. Now cut the fabric around the canvas, leaving a little extra space for seam allowance. And here's the trick, mark the top and bottom of the collar with arrows. This simple step will save you a ton of guesswork during stitching. Once that's done, stitch the sides and top edge of the collar, then notch the curves and turn it right side out. Give it a nice press so it sits flat and crisp. Now separate the two collar pieces. Take the one with the canvas and fold its bottom edge inward. Mark the center of both collar pieces. To assemble, place the plain collar piece on the bottom, then your shirt collar, and finally the canvas fused collar on top. Start stitching from the center and go outwards, matching the shapes perfectly on both sides. This helps keep everything symmetrical and clean. Let's prepare the sleeves curves now. Cut 2 pieces per sleeve and fuse canvas on one of each pair. Place them right sides together with the canvas piece on top and stitch around the sides and bottom edge. Turn them right side out and press. Now on each sleeve mark and cut the line. To finish the raw edge, take a 1-inch fabric strip, fold it and stitch it neatly over the slit. Stitch the side seam of the sleeve up to 3 inches, then attach the curve just like you did with the collar, top stitch to secure. Repeat for the second sleeve. Attach both sleeves to the main body of the top. Remember, the sleeve with the deeper curve goes on the front side. Now stitch the side seams of the top, finish the bottom hem with a double fold and neat top stitching, and just like that your top is ready. And that's it, our beautiful cord set is complete. From cutting the fabric to adding professional looking details like curves and collars, you have done it all. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comments if you have ever struggled with collars too, or if there's another design you'd like to see me make. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy sewing.